Hello students, welcome to Prayashuju online class scholarship standard 5th. Subject intelligent test and the topic is classifications. In this one, the subtopic is words. In this video, we are going to cover the practice test IT 004 solution. So this PDF is already you received. Now in this one we are going to look the solution of this complete video. Okay, so question 1 to 15, there is a common instruction for question 1 to 15. Directions, find the odd term. Okay, from the four options the odd term we have to find out. In question 1, May, June, March and August. Now in this one, if you see, May is a 31 days, June having the 30 days, March having the 31 days, and the August also have the 31 days. So that's why this June is a different one. Now question 2, sour, sweet, hot and bitter. Now all are the taste, but hot is taste also, but it's related to the temperature also. So that's why this word is a very different one. Okay, but actually the spicy related to the hot, but most common is a spicy. So hot is related to the temperature only. Now question 3, kabaddi, chess, kho and boxing. Now in this one, kabaddi, kho and boxing are the outdoor game also and the indoor, but the chess is only the indoor game, but which is only the sitting game we can say. So that's why chess is a different one than this one. Now question 4, sparrow, bat, parrot and the dove. Now dove, parrot and the sparrow all are the birds, but bat is a bird also, but mammal, it's a mammal, it's not a egg laying animal we can say, means mammal. So that's why bat is a different one. Now question 5, ball pen, eraser, pencil and chalk. Now ball pen, pencil and chalk are used for the writing purpose, but the eraser are to we can say erase that one. So that's why which is not a writing purpose. So that's why option 2 is the correct one. Now question 6, Sindhudurg, Raigad, Pratapgarh, Rajgarh. Now all are the forts, but in this one Sindhudurga is different because which is a island fort. Okay, so that's why the Sindhudurga is a different type of the fort than these four categories. Now question 7, compass, radius, diameter and chord. Now radius, diameter and chord are the circles, geometrical we can say the nomenclatures, okay, or we can say the parts. But the compass is a instrument to get the direction. Even another compass is the compass box also, but the compass is mainly the instrument to show the exactly direction, which is have the one magnetic needle. Okay, so that's why compass is a different one in this question. Now question 8, ragi, tur, wheat and jawar. Now jawar, wheat and ragi all are the different means not a we can say the dal, but the tur is only useful for the dal and other are useful to make it the we can say the bhakri, okay, or chapati, but the tur is only for the liquid items. So that's why tur is a different one. Now question 9, cushion, chair, sofa and cat. Now sofa, chair and cushion all are the furniture related words, or you can say the items, but the cat is an animal. So that's why for cat is a different one. Now question 10, Magh, Jyeshtha, Chaitra and Vasant. Now Magh, Jyeshtha and Chaitra all are the Hindu calendar months, but the Vasant is a we can say the Hindu season name. Okay, so means monsoon related, or we can say it's a spring actually in a English name. So it's a season. It's not a month name. Then question 11, tabla, drum, mrudunga and sitar. Now tabla, drum and mrudunga all are the instruments which are making a sound after the hitting on it. But the sitar is a wire and it's only to touch and the leave it. So it's in tension mounted. So that is a wired, or we can say other are the surface making the sounds. So sitar is a different one. Now question 12, Mercury, Jupiter, Uranus and Moon. Now in this one Moon is a different one because Moon is a we can say the natural satellite, okay, and Uranus then Jupiter, Mercury all are the planets. Okay, so this is the satellite, a natural satellite, so that's why this is a different one. Now question 13, brain, eyes, liver and stomach. Now in this one the eyes are the different because that is in a pair. Okay, all are not in a pair, that's in a single, we can see the body parts. Then question 14, to be visible, to see, to sit, to look at. Okay, now in this one, to look at, to see and to be visible are related to the, we can say the showing items, or we can say the looking something, somewhat be related to the action. Okay, but the sit means only the to sit down like this one. Okay, so that's why this sit, to sit is different than others one. Now question 15, 30th March 2002, then 20th June 2001, and 27th January 2004, and then 29th February 2003. Now in this one, all date can be happen, but the 29th February, which is not happen in 2003 because 2003 is not a leap year. So this leap day means 29th February cannot be happen with 2003. So this leap day only happens in a leap year. Okay, so that's why that year called a leap year, but 2003 is not a leap year. So that's why option 4 is the different in this question. Okay, so thank you.